Introducing Insights Hub, the Industrial Operations X IoT solution from Siemens for enabling significant improvements to asset and process transparency, facilitating the new standard of data-driven decision-making. The Insights Hub application suite empowers smart manufacturing to generate actionable insights from assets and operations data, driving manufacturing excellence by improving operational efficiency and quality. Insights Hub inspires innovative answers to real business problems with proven solutions like Insights Hub Monitor for Asset Monitoring, Insights Hub OEE for manufacturing performance and efficiency, Insights Hub Quality Prediction for improvement of quality inspection and rework processes, or Insights Hub Asset Health and Maintenance for industrial equipment manufacturers and operators looking to streamline their maintenance processes, among others. Additionally, with the low-code starter kit, Insights Hub makes it possible for any industry to develop and integrate personalized applications at the speed businesses need to meet specific requirements. Even more, the Industrial IoT capabilities of Industrial Operations X, such as advanced connectivity and remote service, in combination with the Dashboard Designer, offer more possibilities to leverage data and create more intuitive insight. At the core of the Industrial Operations X portfolio, Insights Hub delivers business value from IoT data, while the combined IoT capabilities enable customers, partners, and organizations across the Siemens Accelerator ecosystem to build industry-specific applications. Welcome to the IT and OT future of the industry. Start for free or contact our team of experts to start your industrial IoT journey today.